Chat GPT-4 and the Future of AI. Insights from CEO Sam Altman. In this insightful video, CEO Sam Altman discusses the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and the future of AI technology. He shares his perspective on the potential of AI on society and the changes that must be addressed as we move forward. ChatGPT-4 is highlighted as a cutting-edge AI language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Altman discusses the ethical considerations surrounding AI and the importance of responsible development and deployment. This video provides valuable insights into the future of AI and its potential impact on our world. Welcome back to High-End Horizons, the channel that helps you reach your full potential. At High-End Horizons, we strive to be the go-to destination for future-seeking inspiration, clarity, and wealth. Today, we'll be diving into the world of AI, specifically focusing on ChatGPT-4 and what OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman has to say about it. Get ready for an exciting journey as we explore the breakthroughs, challenges, and potential impact of this incredible technology. So let's get started! What is GPT-4? First, let's talk about what GPT-4 actually is. It's an AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. While it's far from perfect, GPT-4 has made tremendous strides, serving as an early indicator of the future potential of AI. As Sam Altman points out, it's like the earliest computers that paved the way for advanced technology that we have today. The pivotal moment. Many people wonder if GPT-4 is a pivotal moment in the development of AI. Sam Altman believes it's challenging to pinpoint a specific turning point, as progress in AI is a continuous curve. He does, however, suggest that the usability and reinforcement learning with human feedback, or RLHF, implemented in ChatGPT make it a noteworthy milestone in AI evolution. ChatGPT and RLHF. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? And what role does RLHF play in its success? ChatGPT is an application of GPT-4 that enables more effective communication and interaction with users. RLHF involves using human feedback to fine-tune the AI model, aligning it more closely with human preferences and making it easier to use. This process dramatically improves the model's utility and usability with relatively little data. The magic of human guidance. The science of human guidance plays a crucial role in creating an AI model that is not only useful but also ethical and wise. It's essential to carefully select the humans involved in providing feedback and determine the aspects they should focus on. This process involves a delicate balance of data and human intuition, making it a fascinating area of study in AI development. Dataset enormity. GPT-4 is trained on an enormous dataset composed of information from various sources, including open-source databases, partnerships, and the internet itself. OpenAI invests significant effort in building this comprehensive dataset, which covers everything from news articles to memes on Reddit. The challenge lies in filtering out the unnecessary information to create an effective model. Are you enjoying this video? Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Thanks! Now let's keep on watching. The science and art of AI. There are several aspects to designing an effective AI model like GPT-4, such as the architecture, data selection, and the human supervision element of RLHF. As the development of AI models like GPT-4 progresses, scientists and engineers are gaining a deeper understanding of the underlying factors that contribute to their success. However, there remains an air of mystery and wonder, as the AI's ability to compress human knowledge and perform reasoning is a marvel in itself. Facts versus wisdom. One intriguing aspect of AI models like GPT-4 is the distinction between knowledge and wisdom. While GPT-4 can store vast amounts of human knowledge, its ability to demonstrate wisdom depends on its interactions with users. In some cases, it can exhibit remarkable reasoning capabilities, while in others, it may appear to lack any semblance of wisdom. Future implications. As AI continues to evolve, the implications for society are both exciting and concerning. GPT-4 and its applications like Chat GPT hold great promise in revolutionizing fields like medicine, education, and customer service. But the technology also presents risks such as malicious uses, privacy concerns, and potential job displacement. As Sam Altman points out, the goal is to ensure AI benefits all of humanity, requiring a collective effort to develop ethical guidelines and policies. OpenAI's mission. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence or AGI benefits everyone. They are committed in conducting research that leads to the safe and responsible development of AI technologies. OpenAI aims to build AGI that outperforms humans at most economically valuable work, while focusing on long-term safety and actively cooperating with other research and policy institutions. Sam Altman was asked about the possibility of large language models achieving general intelligence and whether they could be the key to building AGI. Sam's answer was that while he believes they are part of the way, we need other super important things too. He went on to say that we are still deep into the unknown, and we need to significantly expand on the GPT paradigm to build true AGI. Sam also touched on the topic of whether GPT models need a body to experience the world directly. He didn't think so, but he did say that a system that can't add to the total sum of scientific knowledge we have access to and discover new fundamental science is not a super intelligence. He believes that to achieve this, we need to expand on the GPT paradigm in important ways that we're still missing ideas for. Sam went on to say that he's excited about a world where AI is an extension of human will and an amplifier of our abilities. He believes that ChatGPT model is a tool that humans can use in a feedback loop, and it's helpful for us for a bunch of reasons. He's excited about the possibility of making humans super great, even if we never build AGI. However, there are some concerns about AI and its potential impact on human jobs. Sam believes that AI can make the world amazing and increase material wealth. But there's still a human element that's fundamental to the creative act, to the act of a genius that is in great design, and that is involved in programming. He thinks that GPT models are far away from one thing, even though they're going to automate a lot of other programming. Sam was also asked about the safety concerns surrounding AI, specifically the possibility that AI will likely kill all humans. He believes that there's some chance of that happening, but it's really important to acknowledge it because if we don't treat it as potentially real, we won't put enough effort into solving it. He thinks we need to discover new technologies to be able to solve it and continue to learn from how the technology trajectory goes. Sam also shared his thoughts on the possibility of a fast takeoff, where exponential improvement would be really fast. He thinks that the slow takeoff short timelines is the most likely good world, and they optimize the company to have maximum impact in the world to push for that kind of a world. He's very afraid of fast takeoffs because he believes it's harder to have a slow takeoff in the longer timelines. So what does Sam think about GPT-4 specifically? He doesn't think it's an AGI, but he believes that if it is, we wouldn't know immediately. He thinks that it's hard to know for sure, and that there's a possibility that we could have a model that's capable of superintelligence and just hasn't been quite unlocked yet. So there you have it, folks! We've explored GPT-4 and its Chat GPT application, delved into the fascinating world of AI development, and touched upon the challenges and implications of this rapidly advancing technology. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into AI and gained a better understanding of its potential and impact on our lives. As we move forward, it's essential to strike a balance between embracing AI's potential and addressing its challenges responsibly. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring!